Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a what's inside of this strobe light and seeing whether I can replace some of the LEDs with some multicoloured ones, because at the moment it's just white LEDs in there. I shall start by taking apart the handle, undoing these screws on the outside. There we go, that was simple. So we have the battery pack here, the switch, and the LEDs, and the circuit board that controls the strobing effect. Right, let's take the, I think it's acrylic off, it's definitely not glass. And then there we go. So I want to check the voltages of the rails of the LED pins, and so they'll all be the same voltage because they're all connected up in parallel. Right, so I'm going to turn it on, and we should probably see a flickering voltage. Right, so if I do max, then it'll stay at max. Right, around 2.7 volts. Using these LEDs here, I'm going to replace these LEDs with coloured ones. But let's go through the circuit. So we've got, as you can see here, the LEDs are in parallel, and so they're experiencing the same voltage, which we tested as 2 volts. Then we've got some resistors on the circuit board, a couple of transistors, 3 transistors and 2 capacitors. Turning the circuit on, we can use the LEDs to test whether they'll light up if we were to replace the LEDs. So if I figure out which rail is the negative, so this closer one here is the negative and that's the positive. We take the longer lead is positive and the shorter lead is negative, so we match negative with negative, and oh yeah, the LEDs lights up, so the green's going to work. We can try blue. Blue works, if you can see. There we go, blue works. Check if red works. Ooh, wow. Red is drawing all of the current. So multiple reds might not work. We shall see. Ooh, yellow. Yellow also works, but does the same as red. This is interesting. Not seeing something like this before, but I'll separate these pins a bit and try again. Together a little bit. See, the blue lights up fine. To be on the safe side, I might just try use blue and green. I'll try yellow again, see what happens. Because it doesn't go away immediately, does it? did I just do? Okay. Well, we can try multiple now, can't we? If you hold that there. And then if I try... That seemed to work, right? No. That one lights up. The green lights up, but the blue stops. Oh, because it's... Sorry. The green and blue both work at the same time, but red and yellow prevent the others from working. Don't know why that is, but that just means we'll stick with blue and green. Right, let's just get, what should you say, 3 blue and 2 green? Yeah. Okay. Right, so, take out the batteries now. Don't need them on whilst we work. Right, so using a soldering iron, we shall desolder these LEDs. Just heat up the pads and pull the LED out. It's probably the best way of going about this. Hold the LED and pull out the pads. Out one is out, and now there's left holes. That's good. Next one. There's another one. Right, I've just zoomed a little to give you guys a better view. Right, so last one. There you go, that's out. Right, so now we can start plugging in the LEDs. Right, so now we can start plugging in the LEDs. So we've got a blue one here, making sure they're in the right direction. The there it goes in. Let's just do the same with all of them. I'm just going to alternate them. Little thing. They've labelled the positive and negative. There we go. Last one. There we go. So now I hold them in place. Well, each one I hold in place or let fall down and rest, and then I can just push it down by the top and pull out the legs. Same with each LED. Right, so using my fancy reel of lead solder, I shall hold the LED from the bottom to be certain. Position the solder in place and melt some solder onto the joint. Nice to have another pair of hands. So that joint is good, but the LED has shifted, so heat it up, push it back in, and then there you go. Problem solved. Right, there you go. Now that LED's sorted. That's it. There you go. Push in. There you go. That's the one. Right, I'm going to go. Put that on. I'm sorry. Right, okay. Same thing again. Hold the push again. One hand. And close, please. Ooh, close, yeah. There you go. And double close. Hands. Delete. There we go. There we go. Right, so that should work. I shall turn it on, plug in the batteries, give it a test. Right, so plugging in the batteries. Making sure that there's no shorts or anything, and turn it on. Hey, we've got now blue and green LED strobing. That's pretty good. So just snip the leads. Really blunt. Whew. Okay, so the last thing to do now is put everything back together. Let's test this thing out. It's nice. It's generally quite blue, but still works alright. I think the blue overpowers the green though. That's the thing. If we had more different colours, it would be cool. But you know what? Blue's my favourite colour, so all good. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.